Hey, I'm going to show you how to work fluffy brioche stitch. I have a small swatch here and we're going to begin on the wrong side. Let me flip my work around. I'm going to start with a single selvage stitch before we get into the repeat. So I'm going to just slip this first stitch knitwise with the yarn and back. Now to get into the repeat is to yarn over, slip one purlwise, and then knit one, bringing the yarn over the needle to the back in order to knit it. So let's do that again. So we'll yarn over, bringing the yarn to the front, slip one purlwise, take the yarn over the top of the needle to knit that next stitch. So you do this repeat until you get towards the end. So yarn over, slip one, knit one. 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 So now we're at the last stitch, which is a selvage stitch, so I'm going to just purl this last stitch. Okay, that was row 1. Now I will show you row 2. So once again, we're going to just slip this first selvage stitch knitwise, just like that. Then we're going to knit one, and then we're going to knit 2 together. These 2 stitches are made up of what was your slip stitch on the other side, and you're taking that yarn over the top of your needle. And knit those together. So again, we're going to knit 1, knit 2 together. You continue that way until you get to the last stitch. Knit 1, knit these 2 together. Knit 1, knit 2 together. 1, knit 2 together. 1, knit 2 together. And then we have reached our last selvage stitch here. So we're going to purl that. So these are the first 2 rows of fluffy brioche. The third row is very similar to the first row, except it's to get this staggered pattern. You start by, once again, slipping one knitwise, and instead of jumping right into the yarn over, first you knit one, then you start that repeat again. Yarn over, slip, knit. Yarn over, slip, knit. Yarn over, slip, knit. Yarn over, slip, knit. And we do this the last 2 stitches. And then we're going to knit 1, and once again, purl that last stitch. The 4th row of fluffy brioche is extremely similar to the 2nd row. You're going to work across, this time starting with a slip 1, or as always, slip 1 knitwise, and then you're going to knit 2, then knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, and you're going to do that all the way to the last 2 stitches. I'm going to knit 1, and then once again end on a purl 1. And those are the 4 rows of fluffy brioche.